Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with a probability question, specifically counting methods. With that in mind, let's dive straight in. So they've said to us 2 learners from each grade at a high school, grades 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, are elected to form a sports committee. In 11.1, they've said to us, in how many different ways can the chairperson and the deputy chairperson of the sports committee be elected if there is no restriction on who may be elected? So that can be anyone from any grade. Right, so we've got 2 positions. We've got the chairperson and we've got the deputy chairperson. Now, if we look at all the members that are on the committee, we have 2 from each grade. So 2 times 5 is 10. So there's a total of 10 people on the committee. Any of those people can be the chairperson. So 10 of them can be the chairperson. Right, but once we've selected the chairperson, that person is no longer eligible to be elected as the deputy chairperson. So that would mean that the other 9 are then eligible to be elected as the deputy chairperson. So we would multiply the 2 of those together, and that would give us a total of 90 possible combinations or permutations. Okay, moving on to 11.2.1, they've said to us a photographer wants to take a photograph of the sports committee. In how many different ways can the members be arranged in a straight line if any member may stand in any position? So we've got 10 members. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We know that 10 people can stand here, and if that one person stands there, then 9 are there, then 8 are there, then 7, then 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. And we're going to multiply each of these possible options. And remember, this can be represented as 10 factorial. And that answer, can you believe it, is a total number of permutations of 3,628,800. And that gives you the total number of ways anyone can stand in the photograph. All right, and then finally, 11.2.2, they've said to us, members from the same grade must stand next to each other, and the grade 12 members must be in the center. Okay, so we're going to have, that's one grade, that's another grade, that's going to be the center, so this one is fixed over here. Then we've got 2 more grades on the side, and we've got 2 people in there. Okay, so now what do we have? We see we've got 2 possible people can stand there. Now remember, this could be our grade 8, and these could all swap around. So in our first block, one of the 2 members can stand in the first position, and then the other one has to stand in the second, and that's the same for all of these. Right, and then we need to see the possible ways that we can move these guys around. Now remember, your matrics or your grade 12s need to be in the center. So if we look at it that way, there's only 4 blocks that we can shift around. 4 of them can be in that position. 3 of them could be in that position. 2 of them in that position. And then finally 1 that is left will be in that position. So to distill this, it's going to be the 2 factorials. So we've got 5 2 factorials, which is going to be 2 factorial times 2 factorial times 2 factorial times 2 factorial times 2 factorial. So that gives us our 5 2 factorials. And then we need to times it by a 4 factorial, which we derived from this area over here. So that's going to be times 4 factorial. And when we plug all of that into our calculator, we're going to get a total answer of 768 different ways these guys could stand with these particular restrictions in place. A very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Be sure to read all about them in the description below. Also, head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.